Hello everyone. So I will be sharing of 10 tips which will make your topic looks very attractive and the videos to go viral. The first tip is promise a clear benefit. So tell the viewers exactly what they gain. So instead of telling sales tip, say 10 sales secret that help me choose more deal. Tip number 2, create curiosity but don't hide everything. So the thing is, your topic should create curiosity, but it should not hide. For example, how to make money is boring. But the thing is, you can make it more interesting by using the one mistake that's stopping you from making money. Point number 3, use numbers. So numbers make title feel specific and actionable. For example, 7 habits that changed my life. 5 AI tool you need in 2026. 30 days study plan. Stay consistent, get results. Tip number 4, use emotional words. Emotions attract attention. So you can use hidden, shocking, proven, powerful, easy, dangerous, surprising, brutal, secret. Point number 5, target one audience. For example, for beginners, every student, every entrepreneur, every software engineer. Point number 6, keep it short. Aim for about 40 to 60 character when possible. So the full title is more likely to be visible across devices. So instead of giving complete guide to learning entrepreneurship from scratch in 2026, so here you can see some of the title part is not visible. You can make it short and effective, like learn entrepreneurship from scratch. Point number 7, include searchable words. Think about what someone would type in YouTube search. You can take few examples like entrepreneurship, sales, AI, Python, productivity, fitness. So one more example I can say is like, look at this example. This changed everything, which is a bad example. A better one will be AI changed software engineering forever. Point number 8, create urgency or relevance. Use the keywords like before it's too late, in 2026, right now, this year. Point number 9, match the thumbnail. Title and thumbnail should work together. They should create curiosity without repeating the exact same word. So here in the thumbnail it is given don't do this. But in title the biggest mistake new entrepreneur make. So it is good, non-repetitive. But a poor example will be don't do this. And then again in title don't do this, big mistake new entrepreneur makes. Point number 10 and final, deliver exactly what you promise. So if you deliver growth, you promise 10 secrets, you deliver 10 secrets. Clear, complete and valuable. Viewers stay till the end. But a wrong one will be you promise 10, deliver only 3 and 4. Viewers click away every early. Feels clickbait. So trust goes down. I hope you have learned something from this video. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.